Hello, this video is the fifth in a series of short videos providing an introduction to the use of T-Web. They will make most sense if watched in order. In this video, I'm going to have a look at how rates can be amended. In the previous video, we saw that the services added to a project are generally included in the rates, but that it is possible to exclude them from the rates. It is also possible to manually amend the rates. The rates we have seen so far in the search engine, such as here for the flight 5561.67, on the service to be added page, here for 2 passengers 11,123.33, and in service basket, such as here also 11,123.34, are sales rates, what will be charged to the client. Each service also has a cost rate, what will be paid to suppliers. In Service Basket, click on the rate. The Service Rates page displays the cost and sales rates, breakdown, and totals. For a flight, there are two cost rate components. The base rate per person, 3,390, or per child of different ages, child aged 1, 440, and child age 11, 2,550, and the tax, here 1,795. These sales rates are calculated from the cost as base rate 3,390, 440, 2,550 plus 10% markup being 3,766.67, 488.88, 2,833.33 plus tax 1,795 being 5,561.67, 2,283.88. and 4,628.33. The cost rates in the system for flights are based on the most likely rates for the period. Once a project is booked, the best available flight is booked. The rate in the system must be updated accordingly and the rate confirmed to the client. In Service Basket, click on the rate. In service rates, note cost per person 3,390, tax 1,795, sale per person 5,561.67. Enter rate per person 3,646, tax 498.36. Click Save Cost and Calculate Sale. Note that the sale has been recalculated to 4,604.84. You can also enter the flight number here and save. Click back to Service Basket. Note how the new rate is displayed. The rates can also be changed on the Detailed Rates page. For example, for the flight Hoedspruit-Johannesburg, the current total for 2 people is 6,300. Click on Detailed Rates. Note that in the per person tax column, the per person rates appear above the tax rates for flights. Amend the rate as per person 2,381 and tax 444.61 and click Save. Note that on this page, manually amended rates are flagged with a rate indicator. In Service Basket, note how the changed rate appears. In some cases, for example, for a charter flight from Windhoek Eros to Tourmap on the 10th, there might not be an estimated rate available. Select Add to Project, enter the desired departure time and location and arrival time and location and Add to Basket. If necessary, select and add the return flight. In Service Basket, note that the rates are at 0. For a private charter, the rates might be given for the trip as a whole rather than per leg per passenger. To enter for the first leg, click on the 0 rate, enter the rate as divisible, 30,000, click Save Cost and Calculate Sale. In Service Basket, note how the rate appears on the first leg. If the full rate has been entered here, the return leg can be left at 0. Sometimes it might be necessary to amend the sales rates. For example, if a supplier increases a rate, but we need to respect the rate previously confirmed to the client. For example, for Bergzicht, a rate of 700 per person. To amend the sales rate, in Service Basket, click on the rate. Amend the sales rate, per person 700, and save. And back to Service Basket. Note how the amended rate appears. The change needs to be done service by service. The change can also be made in detailed rates. On the Sale tab, click Modify, Amend, and Save. Note how these amended rates are flagged with a rate indicator. In the Service Basket, note how the changes appear. And that is it. Thank you for watching.